Hi, my name is Rounak, and I'm building FairMD. FairMD aims to fix the biggest bottleneck in clinical trials, slow and biased patient recruitment. In healthcare, any new clinical intervention must be trialed on real patients to make sure that it's safe and effective. But every year, billions are spent on clinical trials that run over time and over budget. 90% of those trials remain under-recruited or take twice as long as planned. Because still, largely, most of those identification processes are manual, fragmented, and biased. Underrepresentation is not just unfair, it is expensive. Women, ethnic minorities, and low-income patients take twice as long as planned. Now, why that matters commercially is because healthcare systems lose more than $300 billion every year due to inequity and delayed trials. That's why we built FairMD. FairMD is a multi-award-winning AI platform that supercharges how patients are recruited into clinical trials. It scans real-time health records, matches patients to complex trial protocols, and finds and notifies eligible patients at the point of diagnosis. And the results? 3x increase in patient identification, 40% reduction in screening time, and 25% more inclusive cohorts. This, in the span of 5 years, translates into more than $10 billion in cost savings and 75 million new patients included in evidence. Smarter recruitment, faster trials, fairer evidence. And these early results have led to great traction. In less than a year, we are already launching a paid deployment, including early pilots with one of the largest pharma companies in the UK. We are also proud to announce our channel partnership with a UK innovation network giant. This is in collaboration with the UK government, providing us scaled go-to-market and solution delivery across 3,000 plus sites. We are also proud to announce 20 institutional buy-ins and multiple grants, awards, and publications to our name. Pharma sponsors can purchase an annual license to our software. As we scale, we also plan to transition to outcome-based pricing and acceleration bonuses. Our ambition is to lock down our first 100 customers in the first 5 years and hit annual revenues of $150 million. In a market already spending $5 billion on trial software in hospital research centers. And if you look at the global market, there's a potential $22 billion opportunity. I am a medical doctor and AI ethics specialist. Our team has more than 30 years of combined experience in healthcare, AI, and machine learning. And we are supported by a pioneering group of advisors in sales, domain, tech, and product. In the next 18 months, we are well positioned to deploy our solution across 51 centers and unlock multi-site execution across 4 countries, eventually leading to enterprise buy-in and positive feedback loop with every new site added. For this, we are raising $250K with $75K already committed to refine our product, scale customer onboarding, and build our team. Our goal is to make FairMD the trusted gold standard across the world for fair and efficient clinical trial recruitment. Invisible, essential, everywhere. So neither you nor your loved ones are left out of medical research. Join us in creating a fairer, more equitable world. Thank you.
Thank you, Rounak. So we said we were doing audience questions, but do I need these mics? I have a little question. So why are you doing this?
Thank you, Alice. Because I failed. I served as a frontline healthcare worker during COVID, and we had to rely on pulse oximeters to make sure who needed oxygen. I used those knowing very well that those devices underread on patients of color. As a third-generation medical doctor, I do understand the promises and exceptional, extraordinary things that pharma can do. But I also understand the catalyzing and devastating effects it can have when it excludes. So that's when the dots started connecting. Years ago, I built, which is now nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize for next year, a UNESCO bioethics medical education platform, scaled it from 0 to 1,000 paid users in less than 2 years. And doing that, I learned that medical innovation must be fair, efficient, but it should also be deeply rooted in trust. So FairMD is me connecting those dots across lived experience, research, and systems change, so that medical innovation benefits not just the payers, not just the providers, but patients as well.
Thank you very much, Rounak.